Hey, space fans! Welcome to our latest video, where we're going to explore the vast, mysterious universe with a comedic twist. First of all, let's talk about the size of space. It's big. Like, really big. In fact, it's so big that scientists have to use something called light years to measure distances. 1 light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. And let's just say that it's a lot of miles. So, if you're ever feeling bad about your commute, just remember that some stars are so far away that their light takes millions of years to reach us. Now, let's talk about the planets in our solar system. We all know about Earth, but what about the others? Well, there's Venus, which has a thick atmosphere that's made mostly of sulfuric acid. So, if you're ever thinking about moving there, maybe bring a gas mask. Then there's Mars, which is often called the red planet. But, have you ever wondered why it's red? Well, it's because of all the rust on the surface. That's right. Mars is basically one big rusty planet. Speaking of planets, let's not forget about Pluto. It used to be considered a planet, but then scientists took away its title. But don't worry, Pluto, we still love you. You may be small and not as cool as the other planets, but you're still special in our hearts. Let's move on to the stars, the shining lights in the night sky. Did you know that there are over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone? And the galaxy is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's a lot of stars. But not all stars are created equal. Some are big, some are small, some are hot, and some are cold. But, have you ever heard of a dead star? It's called a white dwarf, and it's basically a star that's run out of fuel and is just cooling off for the rest of eternity. It's like the retirement home for stars. Finally, let's talk about black holes. These mysterious objects are so dense and have such a strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape from them. Which is why they're called black holes. But, don't worry, they're not just sitting there in space waiting to suck up everything in their path. They're actually quite far away and pose no threat to Earth. Well, that's it for our comedic tour of space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more space facts with a comedic twist. Remember to keep looking up, you never know what you might see.